Good evening, everyone. It's really fantastic to attend a session, that too in the second half after office hours. And hats off to you all for remaining present here, for listening to us. From the morning, I am listening that this should be done, that should be done, this we have done, this should be done by someone else. Adani, if you know, has not been in petrochemical or refinery sector. They were busy in some other jobs like port, airport, reality, infra, other things. First time we have entered this petrochemical business, the reason being this PVC requirement in India may be to tune of 4.5 or 4.6 million tons a year, whereas the availability in the Indian market is around 1.6, 1.7. To bridge up the gap, we have a plan to go ahead with 2 million tons of green PVC. We call it green because CO2 emission has been really minimized to the extent possible. And what we have done, if you see from here, we have not only thought of something, during design at stage itself, we have planned in such a way that waste of one becomes the raw material for the other. So even the circular economy word has been taken into totality, in totality. And once I go through few examples, 3-4 examples, you will understand that really this group is taking care of. So I think he has shown the process now. He is showing the process part, very simple. Some calcium carbide they have made, for which the coke has come from there, and calcium has come after cracking of lime kiln. CaCO2, once met with CaCO2 with water, becomes C2H2 is the required product for us, which will go to VCM unit, and CaOH2, which is a lime sludge. We would have taken hundreds and hundreds hectares of land for keeping those sludge. We would have taken hundreds and hundreds acres of land for keeping only the lime sludge. Whereas what we are doing, we are converting this waste product of CaOH2 into a clinker, a cement plant. From there, we are going to VCM. VCM is basically vinyl chloride monomer. Once goes, it is polymerized, it becomes PVC. Again. The topic here says the role of technology in tackling pollution. Many things has been done in Adani Petrochemical. The project is just, you can say, in infancy. Hardly 10-11% of the job has been done. But what we are planning, that whatever it produces without any sort of pollution to the environment. Technology plays a vital role in addressing pollution by offering innovative solutions that we will show afterwards. Adani Petrochemical is designing PVC complex using latest available technologies to address environmental pollution. All possible measures for environmental conservation and pollution reductions are being considered at the design engineering itself. We have got 6-7 licensors from different parts of the world. It has been told in the beginning itself that come what may, you have to design in such a way that pollution, carbon emission, or even pollution, something like this, someone earlier technology was using mercury. We said no, we will not go ahead because in Minamata Convention, India is a signatory and we have agreed that we will not be using mercury. Though it is not mandatory as on date, up to 2030 we could have used, that was a simpler and cheaper product, simple catalyst, cheaper catalyst, but we have not gone with that one. We are using gold catalyst so that nature remains safe, environment remains safe, water remains safe, and the society as a whole remains safe. Again, these are the innovation part. In slow. ये क्या आ गया? ना इसका थोड़ा दो बैक करो. हाँ, this technology innovation, selection of closed type submerged arc furnaces. In general, most part of the world, people are using open arc technology. Once you use the submerged arc, the efficiency, productivity is much higher. So wastage is much on the lower side. Then second say, it's environment friendly also, because as I told you, we are using the gold-based catalyst technology. This is the one and only one technology, I think, not commercially tested in any part of the world. China is moving. Some European countries are also trying, but they are making a trade secret. They say that my technology is working, but if I say I want to go and visit that place, they say no. It will not be shown to you till you take the catalyst from us. But we have bought it and we are going ahead. Resource utilization, waste minimization and concept of circle, very nice. What we have done, sir? Interlinked endeavor with multi-sectoral component, where product from one unit become raw material for the others. Complex is being designed to reuse the byproduct as raw materials in other processes to convert them into value-added product. Say some chlorine is on the higher side. We have gone ahead with the acetylene plant. Some chlorine is higher, so we have gone with chlorinated PVC. Emission reduction, use of cleaner fuel, switching to steam boiler fuel from coal to natural gas. The feasibility of utilizing off gases from carbide furnace in manufacturing of acetic acid. Whatever CO we are getting from the furnace, what we are using, first we are using for heating purpose, second with methanol we are using to get acetic acid, a new product. Promote usage of renewable energy, initial plan 38%, now it is further enhanced. Total earlier plan was around 40%. Now we are planning to use much more, maybe 80-90%, because we have our own renewable green energy plant in Khavda. We will be getting the energy from there itself. So not much of the issue for us. Energy conservation. Opted waste heat recovery system in all the process unit. Designed to use off gases from carbide furnace. Once you go to carbide CSC2, we are getting the CO. And this CO from the carbide in the lime kiln and semi-cooked dry to reduce fuel consumption. One area we are burning also. In second year we are using for heating also. So total CO has been consumed to the fullest extent. Again. This is technology. Now they have gone in detail. They are using use of mercury-free lithium catalyst. What we discussed, polyvinyl PVC is one of the 5 general purpose plastic. China is the world largest producer for the traditional acetylene-based PVC process. The synthesis of vinyl chloride is an intermediate of PVC, which requires use of mercury. Mercury has got a tendency, it was seen in some parts of Japan, that when this animal were checked, when these aquatic animals were checked, they found they were dead. What was the reason? When the scientists checked, it was found that they had got lots of mercury inside their body. Then in 1986-87, during Minamata committee, it was banned that by 2030, if I am not wrong, the mercury should be banned and PV should be made with gold catalyst. But we in Adani, what we have tried, say forget about 2030, start from right now 2021, and we have gone ahead with the gold catalyst. This Minamata convention was named after disease Phalana. The convention was signed and ratified over 140 countries, including India. आगे हाँ सेम थिंग आगे बढ़िए gold catalyst हाँ see gold based catalysts are instrumental in enabling the transition towards mercury-free VCM production from acetylene. Gold catalysts provide higher productivity and longer life cycle than mercury-based catalysts, safer to people and to the environment. Gold is a noble metal. Nothing is going to happen from gold. Used in pilot plants and commercial reactors in China. However, first of its kind application in India. So this project of green PVC with gold catalyst, we call the first project in India through Adani Group. Again, technology innovation. Here we have used clove-top calcium carbide furnace. It's like a food being cooked in an open vessel or a pressure cooker. So here we have gone ahead with the closed circuit. So here the advantages are much more as compared to open. Open furnaces will give lot of pollution as well as lower efficiency. Whereas if you go ahead with the closed type, the efficiency is much more higher. No pollution, no dust will go in because it's a carbide unit. If you open it, dust will go everywhere. Whereas in this case, dust will not go because the system itself is fully closed. Okay. Closed top furnaces. He has given all these things in detail. Unlike open top furnaces, which has got CO-rich gases, by optimizing combustion. Go ahead. In summary, closed top furnaces have several benefits over open top furnaces, including reduced energy consumption, improved combustion control, and lower emissions. Approximately, these are the figures in terms of money, you can say 20 megawatt power saving. Further detail is given per year when compared to open furnaces. In first phase of the project, equivalent to reduction in CO2 emission latest by 130 kilo tetra CO2 per annum and saving to the tune of 110 crore per annum. We are saving the environment also, we are saving for us also. Utilization of furnace of gases in lime kilns and semi-coke dryer results in approximately 280 tons per hour equivalent. If you have not used that CO gas for burning purpose, heating purpose, you would have used natural gas, which would have costed us around 425 crore per annum. Further, now we have got surplus of CO. Still we have surplus of CO. What we are doing? We are reacting that CO with methanol and producing acetic acid. So we are developing a new plant. In addition to green PVC, we are adding a new plant for acetic acid. Go ahead. Technology innovation 3, comprehensive utilization of hydrated lime. That's what we have said, that if we have not used CaOS2, hydrated lime sludge, we would have gone for CaCO3 breaking. And if you break CaCO3, it becomes CaO plus CO2. This CO2 would have gone to atmosphere. So 400 tons of CaCO3, we would have used 56 tons for our furnace, 46 tons would have gone to atmosphere. This we have said through this method. And this in turn has saved 2560 kilo tons of per annum basis, a significant step in decarbonization. Pre-drying of hydrated lime sludge using waste heat from the clinker. This is our own. We have taken the system to that clinker unit and reduced SO2 emission due to fuel combustion. Utilization of lime sludge will eliminate landfill. Lime sludge, if we are not using for clinker and cement plant, would have dumped somewhere. We must have taken thousands of acres just for landfill purpose, for keeping this useless product. Converting hydrated lime sludge into product cement will reduce the consumption of natural resources. Conservation of natural resources, limestone about itna tons per annum. Aage. I think there are 17 commitment to sustainable development goals. We are meeting around 10 out of them. The upcoming PVC complex by Adani Petrochemicals Limited aligns with the sustainable development goals, demonstrating a commitment to environment and social responsibility. Further, conclusion. The integration of advanced technology in the PVC complex by Adani Petrochemicals Limited is a significant step towards addressing environmental pollution, optimizing energy consumption, and promoting sustainable economic growth. By leveraging innovative solutions, the project aims to create a positive impact on both the environment and the community. Further, thank you, sir. Any question from the audience?
Thank you very much for the initiatives. Yeah, thank you very much for that also. for the initiatives or the innovations done by the Adani Petrochemicals.
That we are doing.
I know that it is one of the best companies in the...
And sir, we are doing...
The Adani group as such, I would say that we have done EIA studies for the power plant.
Sir, since we are really doing it, so any one of you who happens to visit Mundra can come to our plant, sir. We'll show you what actions we are taking. Anyone, if you are there in Gujarat, Mundra, most welcome to any one of you. I am head of the project. I will arrange everything for you.
Right. Thank you very much, sir. Thank you.
Sir.